Today's guide is on how to use WhatsApp on PC more effectively. So if your PC runs Windows 11 or Windows 10 or even older version, this guide will put you through on how to use WhatsApp on it in a great way. The first step we need to take here is to install WhatsApp on our PC because here I don't have WhatsApp already working. I use Windows 11. So there are two ways you can do that. You can open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp and install it, or you open your web browser, search for WhatsApp. As it opens, just open whatsapp.com and then download and install it on your PC. Okay, so these are two ways you can do that. But here, let's go through the Microsoft Store. So I will open my Microsoft Store. As the store opens, I will just click inside the search apps, games, movies, and more area, and then type the word WhatsApp. Okay, it shows up in the search results under social category. Just click on it. As it opens on this page, just click on install. So this WhatsApp program will be installed on your PC within a short time. Then you open it, okay? We are done with the installation of the program, so click on open. Then he says, welcome to WhatsApp, a simple, reliable, and private way to use WhatsApp on your computer. Just click on get started. Here is guiding us on what to do because this WhatsApp is already existing on our mobile. Okay, so it said to set up WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu, that's the three dots on the Android or settings on iPhone, tap link devices, and then link a device. It says point your phone at the screen to capture the QR code. So let me do that from my mobile right away. So I am on my mobile. So look at WhatsApp here. So I will tap on it. Then as it opens, as stated, I will tap on settings. Then after typing on settings, I will tap on these four kind of blocks at the top right. Okay. After my name, after the name Uzochikumai, there's a shape there. So I'll tap on it. Now it shows me the QR code. So I will tap the scan and scan the one that appears on my PC. And I will tap on continue. Good. So it has been connected. As you can see, everything has taken shape. So the linking is now complete. And every data that is available on the mobile device of my WhatsApp is now moved to the computer section. Now that we have WhatsApp up and running on our PC, let's take further steps. If you want to chat with someone, you will see some contacts here. So click on the person you want to chat with. For example, let me chat with this young man here. So I'll click on his name and then we start chatting. I can say hello guy or hello. Then press the enter key of my computer keyboard or I will click on this send button. Okay. Then this message will be delivered to him just like the way you chat on your mobile. So he will come and then view the content. Okay. So this is how you chat with people. If you want to chat with this person, just any contact you want to chat with, click on that contact, start chatting. He or she will start responding if he or she is online. It's the same way you do that. Okay. Then let's take a look at this tab here. This stands for the status. Okay, if you want to see the status of your contacts, those that have your contacts on their phones, click here. Okay, you see some things they uploaded which you can click and view. Okay, so just like this young man, if I want to see his status, I'll just click and it will load and show me the content of his message of what he has on his status. Okay, then I'll go back again. So that is how to access status. Then this is message. By default, you're landed on this message tab. If you want to call, click on call. Okay, then you see some contacts you recently called on your WhatsApp, whether on mobile or through the web. Okay, then click here. I have talked about status. If you want to use the AI, just click on this. This is a new added feature. Okay, ask a Meta AI anything. So you can ask the AI some questions. It gives you feedback within a short time. But here I don't want to use this, so I'll cancel it. Let's talk other things. This is the menu. So if you click on this, you will see some options just like the ones I highlighted at now: charts, calls, status, and Meta AI. So it's the same thing. So let's get to charts again. Then by this side, you can see favorites or start messages. So when you click here, if you have any message you start, maybe on your PC or through your mobile version, it will appear here. For example, sticker with the conversation I have with this person is now added in the start box, okay, or folder. Then if you have this is archive, you want to see some chats you archived before, click here. If any is available, you will see them. But here I don't have any that I have archived. Okay, if you want to access your profile, click on this. This will show your picture here. So you can see my name here. You can see my shout out about. We need to keep going. Tech is the now and the future. That's what I have. This is my contact. Okay. Then if I want to get some other things, maybe general and the rest, I can navigate to that through here. But let's get to settings. Okay. This gear icon is settings. So you can click there to see the settings, which you can still access through your profile. So anywhere you want to go through, just follow the routes. Okay. It's your choice. Now here, by settings, you are landed on the general settings page. That's the first place you are landed on. If you want WhatsApp to remind that to log in with your password anytime you open the application, whether on your PC, anytime you open the application on your PC, just toggle on this button. Okay, just click on it and it's turned on. But I don't want it to demand for my password anytime I want to log in, okay, or anytime I want to use the application. Then this is language. If you want to change your language to another language, just click here and select any language of your choice. But I'm okay with the system default language, which is English. Then here is typing. Say change typing settings for autocorrect and misspelled highlights. Okay, from Windows settings. Okay, if you want to change that, go to the Windows settings. They say replace text with emoji. It's turned on. Sometimes maybe you type fire as you're communicating with somebody on the chat, you see fire emoji. Okay, so but if you don't want that, just toggle it off here. Okay, it said to log out of WhatsApp on this computer, go to your profile. So you get to profile and you log out if you want to log out. Okay, then that is the first settings page general. So let's get the account. On the account settings page, you can see privacy managed on your phone. Last thing, okay, meaning you can manage it on your phone. Everyone about everyone can see about the about page of your WhatsApp. Then add to group. Everyone can see that they have in your contact. Read receipts is turned on as well. Then here it displays the number of people you blocked on the platform. So here I blocked 6 contacts. Okay, under security, say messages and calls in end-to-end encrypted chats stay between you and the people you choose. So it is then here say under this section, we have show security notification on this PC. It's turned off. So if you want to turn it on, just toggle on this button. Okay, it's as simple as that. Then let's go to chat settings. Then on this chat settings, you can see chat history. Okay, archive all chat history. If you want to archive all chat history, just click here. Okay, it says you will still receive new messages from archive chats. That's archive chat contacts. Those contacts you archive, okay, you will still receive messages from them. If you want to clear all messages on this your chat, on this your app, just click here and follow the on-screen guide. If you want to delete all chats that is available on this app, just click on delete all chats and follow the on-screen guide. But I don't want that, okay? Then you have video and voice. So you say camera, okay, you say let WhatsApp access your microphone. If you want to allow it, just click on allow. Okay, but I don't have any need for that. So this is all about the video and voice settings. You can see now the camera, HP wide vision HD camera is chosen by default. depending on the kind of PC you are using. Okay, so let's get back to notification. No, personal. Okay, notifications has to do with your notifications. It's a Windows settings. Notifications are turned off on Windows settings. Turn on notification at the system level. Yes, I turn it off on this PC. But if I want to turn it on, I'll come and click here and enable it. But I don't want that disturbance. It disturbs me. So that's why I turn it off. So anytime I want a notification, I want to see a notification, I get straight to the application. Here we have show banner notification, have show taskbar notification branch, always, and the rest. If you want to change it, click here and change it, and the rest. So there are a lot of things you can do through this. Then the next settings tab is personalization. So this has to do with how you personalize your WhatsApp. Okay, you can see apply color system default is choosing. Okay, but if you want something different, you can click on here and select either light or dark mode. Okay, depending on what you want, but I'm okay with this. Then you can see chat wallpaper. If you want to change wallpaper here, you can see this one is selected by default. If I want this, I will select this. If I want this, I will select this, but I'm okay with what I have by default. Okay, the text size is put as 100%. But if you want something different, click here and select a different text size. Maybe you want something bolder than this. Okay, you can choose 150, but I'm okay with the default 100%. Okay, you have storages here. Under storages, you can see automatic downloads. Choose which media will be automatically downloaded from the messages you receive. Photos, audios, videos, documents are turned on here. But if you don't want any of these to be downloaded automatically, just uncheck. But I'm okay with this, so I don't have problem with that because I don't receive much videos or audios or messages in my chat. It's just text. Okay. Then shortcuts. If you want to see shortcuts on WhatsApp, click here. Okay, you can see the shortcuts you can use. For example, new chat, Control plus N, then close chat. If you want to close the chat app, just click on press Control plus W on your computer keyboard. If you want to close chats, again, Control F9. That's another key, short key you can use. Okay, shortcut keys you can use. So, and the rest, there are many. So you can practice and use them frequently if you want to use them. But for me, I don't need them. So if you want to get help from WhatsApp, click on this help. Okay, so let's get back to the chat tab and see some other things we can do from here. So I've clicked on chat. I want to see my contacts here. Okay, now that we are back to chat, let me experiment. So I'll click on this contact. There are some few things I want you to learn. If you want to attach a file to a contact on WhatsApp, let's start with document file. As you click on the contact and it opens, click on this attach file icon. Okay, you can see where my cursor is. Once you click on that, the system will ask you, what do you want to attach? Is it photos and videos? Do you want to use the camera of your PC? Or do you want to attach documents? Or do you want to even add a contact or pull or drawing? So it's left for you. So in this case, let's start with photos and videos. So I'll select this option. Now, this opens a folder in your computer, and that is the pictures folder. So navigate to the picture you want to add or the video you want to add. So here, let's experiment with picture. So I want to add a picture here. Then I have click on this folder and it opens. I will select this picture and click on open. We have this interface. Okay, it shows the picture here. Then I'll click on send button. So at this moment, this picture is now sent to this contact. So he will get it from his end and open it. If I want to attach video, I will still click here and select the photos and video option. Then now we navigate to a folder that contains video. So I have a videos tab here. So I'll click on that videos folder created by default by Microsoft because this is Windows PC. Okay, then there is a video here, there is a video here, there's another video here. So open the folder containing the video. Let's say this is what I want to send to Mr. Mike. So I'll click on it for it to be selected and I'll click on open. And this video will show up here, showing me that it is 4 seconds video. Okay, then I'll click on send. This video is now sent to Mr. Mike because it has ticked good. Okay, so he will get it from his end and play the video. Now, let's say I want to send documents to another contact. Let's say this contact. So I'll click on this for the contact to open. Then after that, I'll click on this attach icon. Then I will select document option. These documents can be PDF, doc file, presentation file, Google Docs file, Excel file, any of them that they are under the umbrella of documents. Then I'll select the documents folder of my PC. Then I'll navigate to the document I want to send. Let's say this is the document I want to send birthday card, and I want to still send a PDF file, which is this. Okay, so I've selected document and PDF. If there are other file formats here, I may select them and still send to him. Okay, this is a self file. I'll select, and then the next option is to click on open. Now, these files we have the preview shown here. Then I'll click on send. And these documents, Excel, doc file, and PDF are now sent to this contact. So she will open it from her end and view what is inside. So this is how you can share files between contacts. Maybe you see a colleague in your office. You can use this method to share file with him or her. Okay. Then this is emoji. If you want to add emoji, just click here and it will open the emoji gallery. Okay. You can search for emoji you want to send to the person. Okay, or you can even scroll and get to the emoji. Okay, so then you click on that, or you click on this, anyone you want to click on. So let's say I want to say hi to her. I'll click on this and then select the color of the hand I need. After that, I'll click on send. You can see the hand emoji has been sent to her. So these are the steps to take to use WhatsApp effectively on your PC. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss more on technology, self-publishing, and how to use some applications, plus YouTube education. So you will learn one or two things from this channel, okay? So subscribe. Hit that like button for YouTube to share this video to more people. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this video. How do you feel, okay? Let me know how you feel about it, okay? Watch this video to learn more in the world of tech. Thank you and see you some other time.